What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. You're watching Tom Trips Out, and in this episode we're checking out Champa Village in Kampot. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Well, hey everybody, come along with me. Take a trip to a place to find without see. Meet people, eat food, see the joy they bring, and how much it costs to try new things. Well, come and watch me on the trip out. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
So we're right here at the front entrance of Champa Village, and this is different than the last video I had here at Champa Lodge in that cottage. That's a lodge. This is the village, so we'll go through and take a look at the layout, and I'll tell you how much everything costs and how it's been here the last 4 or 5 days for us. It's very quiet. You can hear all the insects and critters. You can see the style of these little bungalows. They have ones with a single bed, a double bed, and a little single bed, and then they have ones for families that have like 2 big beds in there. The one great thing about this place too is that any room you get, it always will come with free breakfast here, and they have like 6 options for breakfast. It's a saltwater pool, and it's really warm. And then right beside here is a pool bar, and they serve food and drinks. This is where you get the free breakfast. It's also like their front desk. Okay, so I grabbed a menu. Here's the options for breakfast. You can pick any one of these things. Or if you just want a light continental breakfast, there's bread, butter, and fruit jam. And they've also got cold cuts, sandwiches, panini, soups, pasta, Khmer food, main dishes, ice cream, and all kinds of drinks and cocktails, wine. So another great thing about this place is it's actually right on the river. So let's go over there and so you could have your breakfasts or dinners or chill here with drinks. There's a lot of noise with the cicadas or these insects buzzing around, but just have to deal with it. Looks like they've got a kayak you can use here. There's the paddle. And they've built these little places for hanging out here. Little straw hut, the grass roof and chairs inside and a fan, and in the perfect viewpoint here. Check it out. The chairs, the table, there's a fan there. Keep going. I'll show you the back section here. That side faces the mountain. And they've put in some more places to sit down, and they've got some small bodies of water that just help make it look nice. And they stock it with fish, so you can see the fish jumping. And they're saying eventually they want to turn it into that's an activity you could do when you come here, is go fishing in their fishing pond. So we were just over there. Now over here. There's the mountain view there. Doesn't do it justice on the camera. And a few of the bungalows back onto this part here. And they've got another nice place to sit right over here. This is where you would go fishing. You can't see fish, but you can see little things popping up kind of and creating a ripple. I don't know if you can see that. Got a bridge here. You can go out to the little island. You can have your breakfast away from everybody. Alright, there's only one last thing to do. We need to check out the room that I got. Let's go see the bungalow I've been living in for the last 5 nights. What's cool is mine's the last cabin before the river, so we can see the river through our window. There's a bathroom here with a sliding door. Really nice bathroom. This looks quite modern. What I like too is there was lots of sockets to plug in chargers. 2 there and 2 on the other side. The other great thing I'll show you next is there's a front porch outside of every bungalow. So you can see you get a big wooden couch thing to sit on, and a chair and a table. If you're eating out here, having snacks, they have a garbage for you. It's obviously covered here, so you're in the shade, and I've spent a lot of time sitting out here. I used the Agoda app to book this, and I've used that a lot now, so I'm a premium member, so I was able to get a couple deals on this place. But basically for my lodge with the 2 beds, we were paying about $28 each night. And you gotta remember that's including breakfast. And you know, that's like taking $6 a day off, so it's almost like it's $22 a day, and then breakfast. And then my singer's girlfriend, they have one that has only 1 bed, and it's a little bit cheaper, like maybe more like $23 or like $5 a night cheaper when it's only 1 bed. I think this is the best place that we've stayed at so far. It's got a pool, it's quiet, it's right by the river, and then you get breakfast included. So next time you're in Kampot, come check it out. Maybe you'll see me here. And until next time, remember, how you spend your days is the way you spend your life. It's never too late to start tripping out.